Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, we are from group 5 which consists of Vicky Pramesti, Afifah Nashifa, and Saputri Daniatul Karomah. We would like to present about idiom with conversational theme from beginning to end. Alright, I will begin by explaining the definition of idiom. So, idiom are a series of words whose meaning cannot be interpreted literally but represent in certain expression implicit. An idiom is also a phrase or expression that typically presents a figurative, non-literal meaning attached to the phrase, but some phrases become figurative idioms while retaining the literal meaning of the phrase. Jadi bisa diketahui bahwa idiom adalah sebuah rangkaian kata yang maknanya tidak dapat diartikan secara harfiah, tetapi mewakili ekspresi tertentu yang tersirat di dalam idiom di dalamnya. Idiom juga merupakan sebuah frasa atau ekspresi yang biasanya menyajikan makna kiasan dengan tetap mempertahankan arti harfiah dari frasa tersebut. The purpose of using idiom is to make listeners or readers feel more interested in what they read or hear. Jadi penggunaan idiom dapat menarik perhatian dari para pembaca atau para pendengar untuk lebih memperhatikan dan tertarik kepada apa yang mereka dengar atau apa yang mereka baca.
Here I will mention a few types of idioms. There are pure idioms, prepositional idioms, binomial idiom, proverbs, partial idioms, euphemisms, and slices. Okay, next I will demonstrate how an idiom is used in conversations. Selanjutnya, saya akan mendemonstrasikan bagaimana suatu idiom digunakan dalam suatu percakapan. Dalam percakapan berikut ini, ada Janice dan Anne yang sedang membicarakan sesuatu. The first is Janice. So, how's it going with your new boyfriend, Anne? And then Anne, not so well. Is used to look up to Sam, but the better I know him, the less I like him. He doesn't get along with his parents at all. If they bring up these grades, he blow up at them. So far, he has not blown up at me, but he takes me for granted. I think the only reason he takes me out is to impress his friend. And then Janice, don't put up with that. Why don't you just break up with him? And I'm sure thinking about it. Do you know any good place to meet, guys? That was a conversation between Janice and Anne, which was essentially about Anne's relationship with her boyfriend. Jadi itu tadi percakapan antara Janice dan Anne yang intinya adalah tentang masalah hubungan Anne dengan pacarnya, yaitu Sam. The idiom used is look up, to which means to admire. Then there is get along with, which means having a good relationship. Bring up, which means to rise or educate. Then there is blow ups, which means growing. Take me for granted means to consider me or be considered. Take me out, ask him out. Then there is put up with, which means to hold. Finally, and or the last, there is a break up, which means breaking up or ending a relationships. Adapun idiom yang digunakan dalam percakapan tersebut ada look up yang artinya mengagumi, kemudian ada get along with yang artinya memiliki hubungan yang baik, bring up yang artinya membesarkan atau mendidik, kemudian ada blows up yang artinya berkembang, take me for granted yang artinya menganggapku atau dianggap, take me out mengajaknya keluar, Kemudian ada put up with yang artinya menahan. Yang terakhir ada break up yang artinya putus atau mengakhiri sebuah hubungan.
I want to tell you all about how to practice of using idiom in conversation. Here are some things that can practice idiom in conversation. The first, try to use it at the right time and in the right place, but in a natural way. Mencoba untuk menggunakan pada waktu yang tepat, di tempat yang tepat, tetapi dengan cara yang natural. Yang kedua, don't force it atau jangan dipaksakan. Yang ketiga, consume cultural things like TV shows, movie, news so that it feel more natural. Atau mengonsumsi hal-hal budaya seperti acara TV, film, berita sehingga terasa lebih natural. Yang keempat, use the right mindset atau gunakan pola pikir yang baik dan benar. Yang kelima, practice using idiom that you know when having a conversation. Berlatih menggunakan idiom yang Anda ketahui saat melakukan percakapan.
Okay, maybe this is enough for our group to explain the material about idiom with conversational theme from beginning to end. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.